It's 33% of your job as a leader in your organization, and it's not something you do when you have a need, right? I mean,
Right.
if you wait to hire and recruit when you need somebody badly,
Too late.
you'll hire badly, right? So you need to be doing this all the time. Have your golden list of contacts, ready to go, and you should be a phone call away, or an email or a text message away from your next hire for any position within your organization. That's what I try and set up with all my clients. Is I don't want you to have to go out and recruit through the traditional media. I want you to be meeting these people and have a network that you can reach out to and touch at any given point in time. And something that we talk about all the time in the training is build a culture within your organization that you are the employer of choice in your town, not the contractor. I'm talking about the employer of choice. Your place is so attractive that people want to leave the computer industry. They want to leave corporate America, and they want to come to work in a rewarding career within your organization. Because don't think of yourself as a contractor. You're a business.
Right.
First and foremost, you're a people business is really what it is, and you give amazing lives and careers to people, and so I really want to see us promote that, because it's 33% of your job. Be doing it all the time. Don't wait until you have a need, and you'll be better off.